couple of years ago, while interacting with fellow product owners, I was able to identify an opportunity and build a product called Leanpitch, which would help them in their journey of building products. We were able to achieve the problem solution fit, but we couldn't achieve the product market fit. Then we pivoted and targeted the startups with a product called Startup Planner. But there too, we couldn't achieve the product market fit, and thus we decided to drop it. During the COVID, as everyone were affected, educators were also affected. Even one of the reports suggested that more than 56.7% of the educators they surveyed were not happy with the online delivery. Currently, I am trying to solve this problem of making it easy for the educators to deliver the content online through a product called Durient. I have learned the craft of building product through a lot of experiments, failures, and learning from those mistakes to be better at building products. That's what I will be bringing into my workshops. We'll discuss a lot of case studies, real product case studies, work on product idea as well. I understand that once the workshop is over and we get back to work, we'll have a lot of questions and doubts, and we might need someone to bounce off our ideas. So you can always get back to me to discuss, and I'll be happy to listen and provide whatever inputs I can. So meet you guys soon in my workshop.